Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix fast battery drain. When experiencing rapid battery drain on your phone, the cause is typically unoptimized background app activity, high refresh rates across both large displays, continuous wireless scanning or micro sliders from feature overlays. So at first open the settings. Here, scroll down to the battery, and now in the battery, scroll down again. Here, tap background usage limits. As you can see here, we've got put unused apps to sleep. Make sure to enable this option. Then open deep sleeping apps and tap plus. Here, you need to put unused applications, your own unused applications to sleep. Like for example, of course, avoid applications that are system, but like of course Instagram, like of course Gmail, Gemini, etc. Here hit out button, and here we've got our deep sleeping applications. They won't use our battery anymore. How to remove? Tap this three dots in the upper right corner, select the applications you want to remove and select remove. So what else actually I can recommend? Open connections and tap more connection settings right here. The first option here is nearby device scanning. Disable it. Your phone constantly broadcasts Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to detect nearby accessories or smart things hardware, which drains the battery continuously. Apart from that, you can tap printing and here toggle off any active default print services if you don't print directly from your phone. This one. What else can I actually show you? You need to open the device care right here, and once you're in the device care, scroll down till you see performance profile. Tap it and select light instead of standard. Light performance profile prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. So apart from that, tap here memory, and here scroll down till you see RAM plus. As you can see here I've got it disabled. If you've got it enabled, disable it by tapping this tick right here, and here by tapping restart. And after restarting your phone, you should have your RAM plus disabled. RAM plus uses your internal storage drive as a swap memory on foldable devices, constantly reading and writing background state memory across both displays. Uses extra power and lowers efficiency. So, apart from that, you can go to the display and lower the load on the display. Here, enable dark mode. I know that most of you don't like dark mode, but AMOLED screens shut off individual pixels when displaying dark colors, so you need to actually, if you want to fix the battery drain, you need to have it set to dark. Here, you make sure to enable adaptive brightness. It ensures peak screen brightness is only triggered under direct sunlight rather than staying high indoors. So enable adaptive brightness. Here we've got motion smoothness. Tap it, and here make sure to have it set to standard instead of adaptive. The motion smoothness is actually a very important thing for displays, because your display is mostly tired when using 120 Hz and less tired using 60 and when it's capped to 60. Apart from that, here scroll down even further, and here you should find screen timeout. Make sure to have it set to 15 or 30 seconds, not 10 minutes, because your phone will be constantly turned on, which we don't like, if you of course don't close it manually. So apart from that, you need to go to lock screen and AOD, and here in the lock screen and AOD, make sure to completely disable always on display by tapping this stick, or when you tap always on display, tap when to show. Here, from always or auto or a scheduled set, tap to show. That should work, and actually you need to do one or two more things. Open apps section right here, and in the apps section, tap this top right corner 3 dots. filter and sort, and tap the stick Show System Apps. Hit OK and scroll down to the letter O. To the letter O. I think it was here. Yes, it was here. No, it's Q. Here we've got When UI Home. Let's tap it, and here, once you tap When UI Home, you need to scroll down and tap Storage. Here tap Clear Cache, and if it doesn't want to work still, here click Clear Data. It will, of course, clean all your data, but without this private data, you have this plate, what it will delete after tapping Clear Data. And now everything should be fine. If it doesn't want to work still, and if you still feel battery drain, you need to open Device Care as the final thing. Here you need to tap this three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, and here we've got Block apps with excessive ads. Disable intelligent blocking because it constantly detects the applications with excessive ads. And here, not here, wait a moment, where is that? You should find auto optimization. Make sure to tap auto restart and enable restart when needed. Or of course schedule it for every day at 12 AM for example, and at 12 PM maybe. It will be better. So that should be it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.